There's a CUDA mini. I feel like I had similar design before I have put to the test, but that was a lot more expensive one. This one is a bit cheaper. So let's open it up, see what it's all about. Appreciate easy to open package, that's for sure, especially with the knives. Don't want to cut myself. Boom. That first one was ridiculously hard to open. Anyways, so yeah, simple locking mechanism, pretty nice over here. So you just push it, close it, just don't forget to move your finger away. And this right here, whoa, that was awesome. So simple, check this out. It's actually a lot easier than the other knife to flip over, but again, that is a lot of a smaller knife, because bigger knife, bigger leverage, more like power you have to push with your finger. But also this thing does not wiggle, does not spin, so it's a little bit different. And you see how it's going to go if you do it slowly. So cool. One more time, I'm gonna just open it right here so you guys can see what's happening under my thumb, and it's gonna lock in over here. Beautiful. That is so cool. I love this, some kind of, I don't know, plastic material, but I'm sure it's not plastic. It's some kind of probably composite or imitation of plastic. Very nice grip. That knife is really good. I would carry this every day. There is a bend of it. I really like this skinny end over here. This is non-sharp, and it's pretty sharp over here. And these knives are pretty affordable. I think they're all under $50, maybe even under $40. So this is super cool. And yeah, so let me grab it and open it real quick. You see, without even thinking, and it's very nice quality knife, this one especially. Wow, boom. After lots of practice, probably will be second nature. Will flip out quickly. Boom, boom. Wow, you can really flick it and give it some kick. Boom, wow, that is so cool. If you hold it tight, that's nice. Again, one-handed knife, you can open it with the right hand. Definitely not so much left-handed. I guess you'd figure it out how to open it with the pointy finger right here. Yeah, that's not gonna be comfortable, and you won't be able to do it like that. So yeah, make sure if you're left-handed, learn how to open it with the right hand, or get yourself a lefty. Beautiful. Look at that. I feel like this one doesn't even need a practice. Yeah, that is a really nice knife. And there is a little, I guess, OP you can put to like a keychain or something, hang it somewhere. Beautiful.